I'm in the 99 Volvo and it's dripping right here onto this switches here. Just keeps dripping during rain. This is my first time seeing this, but judging this water line, yeah, it's been happening a while. I'm not sure what's causing this. It's pretty wet. I mean, it's gotten wet before here, so I don't know what's causing this. If anyone knows, let me know. Maybe it's a simple fix. But that's not cool because, you know, it might affect the switches, and not happy about that. If anyone knows how to fix this, let me know.